Henna design is one of the most beautiful and traditional forms of body art, loved around the world for its elegance, meaning, and creativity. Made from the natural leaves of the henna plant, this art has been used for centuries to decorate the hands and feet during special occasions such as weddings, festivals, and celebrations. The paste, when applied to the skin, leaves a temporary stain that ranges from light orange to deep reddish brown, depending on how it is applied and cared for. Beyond its beauty, henna carries cultural significance in many regions, symbolizing joy, happiness, and good luck, especially for brides who wear detailed designs as part of their wedding traditions. Over time, henna has evolved from a cultural ritual into a global fashion trend, admired by people of all backgrounds. There are many different styles of henna designs, each reflecting its cultural roots and artistic techniques. Indian henna is known for its intricate and detailed patterns that often cover the entire hand, including fine lines, paisley shapes, and floral motifs. Arabic designs, on the other hand, are more bold and flowing, with larger flowers and open spaces that create a more modern and elegant appearance. African henna styles focus on geometric shapes and symmetry, giving them a unique and striking look. These different styles allow artists to mix and match elements, creating personalized designs that suit individual tastes and occasions. Whether simple or complex, every henna design tells a story through its patterns and details. Applying henna requires patience, practice, and a steady hand. The process usually begins with cleaning the skin to remove oils and ensure better color absorption. Using a henna cone, the artist carefully draws patterns, starting with basic shapes like lines and dots, before moving into more detailed designs. Once applied, the henna must be left to dry naturally, which can take several hours. For the best results, it is often left on the skin for as long as possible, sometimes overnight, to achieve a darker and longer-lasting stain. After it dries, the paste is gently removed without water, allowing the color to develop fully over the next 1 or 2 days. This gradual darkening process is one of the most exciting parts of henna, as the design becomes richer and more defined over time. To make henna designs last longer and appear darker, proper aftercare is essential. Avoiding water for several hours after removing the paste helps preserve the stain, while keeping the hands warm can enhance the color. Many people also use natural oils such as coconut oil to protect the design and keep the skin moisturized. Simple steps like these can make a big difference in how the henna looks and how long it lasts. At the same time, it is important to avoid common mistakes, such as removing the henna too early or applying it on oily skin, as these can reduce the quality of the final result. Using natural henna instead of chemical-based alternatives is also important for safety and better outcomes. In today's world, henna has become more than just a tradition. It is a modern form of self-expression and art. People now experiment with creative designs, combining traditional patterns with contemporary styles to create unique looks for different occasions. From minimal finger designs to full-hand artwork, henna continues to inspire artists and beauty lovers alike. It is not just about decoration, but about creativity, culture, and confidence. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, exploring henna design can be a fun and rewarding journey that allows you to express your personality while celebrating a timeless art form. Henna design continues to grow in popularity as more people discover its beauty, versatility, and cultural significance. What makes henna truly special is its ability to adapt to both traditional and modern styles, making it suitable for any occasion, from weddings and festivals to casual everyday looks. In recent years, minimal henna designs have become especially trendy, focusing on simple patterns like delicate lines, small flowers, and subtle finger details that look elegant without being too bold. At the same time, full-hand and intricate bridal designs remain popular for special events, showcasing detailed artistry that can take hours to complete. This wide range of styles allows individuals to choose designs that match their personality, mood, and outfit. Another interesting aspect of henna is how it brings people together. In many cultures, applying henna is a social activity where friends and family gather, share stories, and celebrate while decorating each other's hands. This creates a sense of connection and tradition that goes beyond just the visual beauty of the design. Even today, henna nights or pre-wedding celebrations are filled with music, laughter, and creativity, making the experience just as meaningful as the final result. For many, henna is not just about appearance. It's about memories, emotions, and cultural pride. As you continue learning and experimenting with henna, you'll start to develop your own style and techniques. Practicing regularly helps improve your control and precision, allowing you to create cleaner lines and more detailed patterns. Starting with simple designs and gradually moving to more complex ones is the best way to build confidence. You can also draw inspiration from different cultures, nature, or even modern art to create unique and personalized designs. Keeping a steady hand, maintaining consistent pressure on the cone, and taking your time are all important factors in achieving beautiful results. It's also worth noting that taking care of your skin plays a role in how well henna turns out. Healthy, clean skin allows the dye to absorb better, resulting in a richer color. Avoiding lotions or oils before application and keeping the design protected after application will help maintain its quality. Over time, as the henna fades naturally, it leaves behind a reminder of the art and effort that went into creating it, making the experience even more special. In the end, henna design is a perfect blend of tradition, creativity, and personal expression. It connects the past with the present, allowing people to celebrate culture while embracing modern trends. Whether you're applying it for a special occasion or simply for fun, henna offers a unique way to express beauty and individuality. With patience, practice, and a love for the art, anyone can enjoy the process of creating stunning henna designs and appreciate the timeless charm that this beautiful tradition brings. Henna design also offers a deep sense of relaxation and mindfulness, making it more than just a beauty practice. The slow and careful process of drawing patterns encourages focus and patience, allowing both the artist and the person receiving the design to feel calm and present in the moment. Many people find the experience soothing, as it provides a break from daily stress, while engaging in something creative and meaningful. This calming aspect is one of the reasons why henna has remained popular for generations, as it combines art, culture, and emotional well-being into one experience. As trends continue to evolve, henna is now being used in even more creative ways beyond traditional hand and foot designs. Some people experiment with henna on other parts of the body, such as the arms, shoulders, or back, creating temporary tattoo-like designs that look stylish and unique. Others combine henna with modern elements like glitter, colored stones, or white henna-inspired designs for special occasions like photo shoots and parties. These modern adaptations show how flexible and innovative henna art can be, allowing it to stay relevant in today's fashion and beauty world while still honoring its traditional roots. Social media has also played a big role in the popularity of henna design, making it easier for artists to share their work and inspire others around the world. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube are filled with tutorials, design ideas, and step-by-step guides that help beginners learn and improve their skills.